Hey guys, it's thanks for watching this video. Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna learn how to make comics. So grab up your pencil and let's get started. So first, let's draw the boxes, and we may need to use a ruler. So put the ruler where you want the boxes. Where the boxes, how many boxes, in the story you're making, the comic you're making, make as a box, how many boxes of the story, how many, phrases you want to make your story. So if you want, I can show you some ideas after I draw this box, and maybe I can pause. So we're just gonna pick from the series of Dogman since those are my favorite. So I'm gonna take Dogman Unleashed. So let's go. Oh, hi. So technically we want to make our book like this, see? And then we're just gonna make speech bubbles. We're gonna write the text in it. So I'll explain about that later. So I'm gonna show you my character. I want my story to be about she goes and she gets a grape and she eats it. So I'm gonna draw my character. This is my character. She looks like me actually, because it's me. So yeah. She has side bangs. And she's a princess. So if you have allergies to princesses, you may not want to come here and see this place. But I don't think anybody has allergies to princesses, so good. Here's my character. So let's get started. So I'm just gonna zoom in a little. Just zoom in some more and just start making the table. That's just gonna get grapes in the castle cafeteria. So here we go. We got some grapes here and some dishes, a little soup, guacamole. So here's my first box. Now I'm gonna start making more boxes. May wanna fast forward. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Snap. Anyway, let's start drawing our first box with her looking at the grapes. So I'm just gonna make, draw her head again. Then I'm gonna make her looking at the object. You may want to label, you can label in the first place, but I don't usually do that. So sorry, hands are covering it. So I'm gonna just draw like this so you can see. Drawing her crown back because here. Here. And she's looking. I'm gonna label. Then I say this is a grape. Make a speech bubble. And then you may want to erase if you can't fit in the speech bubble. So here, gonna make it like this, as what it says in this book, Dogman Unleashed. So just gonna bring you to one page. Sorry, I just left this book paramas. Okay. So, why does it keep going to flip paramas? Here, finally. Oh, this doesn't have any here. So, we're just gonna go on this box. See, it's showing a speech bubble pointing to the character that's saying the that's saying the text, and you put the text in the speech bubble that you're drawing. So like, yeah. So I finally drawed it, as you see here. She's saying grape. So I'm gonna make her eating the object if it is a food, like if it is edible. And you may want to sometimes zoom in to make the top of the character. So I'll show you. So welcome back, book. Hi. That's not what I usually do. I don't usually talk to books. So here it's zoomed out, the picture, so it can show the person holding the detail. And then here it showed it's the top of the character, like, yeah. Bye-bye, book. What? I thought I need more help. Later, alligator. Okay, now, anyways, I'm just gonna draw her. I forgot to zoom in. You may want to draw the little, like, crunchy, munchy details by the side, like groan and all those stuff, and stomp, and yeah. So I can show you maybe with another book. Here, see, I actually used the same book or the same page. But look, I have found two. One is right here. Ding, ding. It actually did like this. And right here, it did boing, boing, and it tries some imaginary lines, like sewing lines, like someone sewed the book, that the character is going like this. Anyway, that's not the topic we're talking about. Later, alligator. Not again. Okay, anyway. Let's keep drawing. I'll just pause. So see, I finished it. And look how I draw this. Oh, let me just draw the ground. Okay, look how I draw this. See, I erased this because I actually meant to on purpose. I actually accidentally did that. Because here, I put this away because she picked this one. You see, I have a point. And then at the end, I'm going to put my last final speech bubble. I actually started drawing these comics on the computer, but I'm still working on the first one. Let's draw. Okay, It's taking a long time for me to draw this. I'm just gonna draw. So I actually started making these characters a little bigger. Well, this one's not so big because my box. But this one, yeah, this has a good size. Now, ta-da! And this is my comic. I did a comic. Oh, don't forget I add the tree for the detail. Oh, just kidding. Okay. Now I want to show you all my comics I made. Here are all the comics I finished. I finished these, but I'm gonna show you the other comics. Oh, I'm working on these comics. That's a whole lot. Where did I finish these? Where did I finished this? Okay. Means no. I finished this. And this is just blank. It's on the incomplete side. Well, but I'm just gonna pause this for a second. Would you mind? So bye guys. This is how you make a comic book. Oh. And thanks for watching. Oh, forgot to tell you. We're gonna need to add one more thing. Color. I'm just gonna pause here. Bye. So ta-da! I finished coloring. Sorry. And you see, I may have added some detail. So, bye-bye. See you next time.